The Manipur government proposes to introduce a no work, no pay rule for its employees who have not been attending office without authorized leave due to various reasons. A circular from the state government states officials under the state government who are unable to attend office at their usual place of posting on account of the prevailing law and order situation in the state had been attached with deputy commissioners, line departments, field level offices to enable them to function their form or from discharging such responsibilities as may be assigned to them by the deputy commissioners concerned or such authorities duly authorized in this regard. Further, it has been reported that many of such officials so attached are not attending the offices to which they have been attached or not reporting for duty. Such acts constitute conduct unbecoming of a government servant and amount to dereliction of duty as per CCS Conduct Rules 1964. The same is viewed seriously by the state government. The principle of no work, no pay shall be applied to any official who has not reported to the authority to whom they have been attached or who are not attending such offices without a valid and accepted reason. All administrative secretaries will also ensure communication to various officials attached with deputy commissioners and field offices regarding their attachment, if not already done so, and issue instructions for regular office attendance and provisions of law in case of non-compliance. It is also reiterated that in general, the principle of no work, no pay shall also invariably apply to all government employees under the state government. All deputy commissioners shall take steps in this regard to enforce the same in all offices in their respective districts. Meanwhile, all administrative secretaries, deputy commissioners, and the head of department will submit a report on action taken in this regard by 13 March 2024 positively.